Thank you for all your support. Now we start our journey to chemistry paper 1 HL. Okay, 2024 May, right? First question, okay. Which of the following are homogeneous mixture? A homogeneous big name. It means that they mix up thoroughly, okay? So first of all, look at an aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Think about what is being dissolved. Sodium ion, chloride ion. What dissolve it? The water. Can the water do it? Yeah, it's a polar molecule, right? So it can be an attractive force with both the sodium and chloride ion, so they can mix thoroughly. Excellent. A mixture of pentane and hexane. A little bit strange. So you have to think about whether they will stick together by themselves or they can stick together with each other. So think about a pentane and a hexane has similar chemical properties, right? They are the homologous series, right? So they have the same similar forces between them, so they can attract each other. So in other words, so they can dissolve each other via the other's solvent, so they can mix together thoroughly. Last one, ethanol and water. Okay, think about whether they have any similar attractive force. Okay, both are polar. Yes, ethanol and water are polar molecules, right? So they all both of them has a hydrogen bonds, right? So they can form hydrogen bond with each other. So they can attract each other, bond with each other, similar, just like they bond with themselves, so they can form homogeneous mixture. A little bit hard question, right? But if you know about the homogeneous mixture, about the property, you can do that. I must say, well done, guys. Okay, see you.